Yo, what's up guys, I'm back again with a brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get modded version of Beach Buggy Racing. This will basically give you unlimited coins, gems and tickets in the game, which you can use to purchase anything, and don't worry, it's completely safe. I have a bunch of options right there, such as unlock all cars, unlimited coins, gems and tickets, free shopping and much more. The first thing you want to do is to grab your iOS or Android device. I'm using Android today, as you can see. Once on your device, make sure you already have Beach Buggy Racing installed and fully updated. If you need to check, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check if there are any available updates is. Once that's done, the next step is open your favorite browser and follow my instruction. In the search bar, type Beach Buggy Racing and press install. After the installation is complete, the mod will be installed on your device. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.